Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, tires front all season, tires rear all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.